In today's world, having a side hustle has become almost as common as having a primary job. With the rising cost of living and the desire for financial independence, more people are turning to side hustles to supplement their income or even turn their passions into profitable ventures. Whether you're saving up for a vacation, paying off debt, or simply want to increase your disposable income, there's a side hustle out there for you. In this video, we'll explore 13 of the best side hustles you can start to earn extra cash. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing offers a plethora of opportunities across various industries, including writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide, allowing you to work on projects that match your skills and interests. 2. Virtual assistant. With the rise of remote work, the demand for virtual assistants has surged. As a virtual assistant, you can offer administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses or entrepreneurs. Tasks may include email management, social media scheduling, data entry, and more. 3. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have expertise in a skill, online tutoring can be a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and VIP Kid connect tutors with students seeking academic assistance or language learning. 4. E-commerce. Starting an e-commerce business has never been easier thanks to platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage items, or dropshipping products, e-commerce offers endless opportunities to generate passive income. 5. Blogging. While it may take time to build an audience and monetize a blog, it can eventually become a profitable venture. Choose a niche you're passionate about, create valuable content, and monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. 6. Ride-sharing or delivery driving. If you have a car and some spare time, consider becoming a rideshare driver with companies like Uber or Lyft. Alternatively, you can deliver food or groceries with services like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart. 7. Pet sitting or dog walking. Animal lovers can turn their passion into profit by offering pet sitting or dog walking services. Websites like Rover and Wag connect pet owners with trusted caregivers who can look after their furry friends while they're away. 8. Renting out property. If you have an extra room, vacation home, or even a parking space, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. Renting out property can provide a steady stream of passive income without much ongoing effort. 9. Photography. If you have a knack for photography, you can sell your photos online through stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Alternatively, you can offer photography services for events, portraits, or products. 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can promote affiliate products through your blog, social media channels, or email newsletters. 11. Fitness coaching. If you're passionate about health and fitness, consider becoming a certified fitness coach or personal trainer. You can offer personalized training programs, online coaching sessions, or even create digital courses and ebooks. 12. Flipping items. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces are treasure troves for finding items to flip for a profit. Whether it's vintage clothing, furniture, or electronics, buying low and selling high can be a lucrative side hustle with the right eye for value. 13. Podcasting. Podcasting has exploded in popularity in recent years, and there are endless opportunities for monetization. Once you've built a loyal audience, you can earn money through sponsorships, advertising, merchandise sales, or listener donations. Regardless of which side hustle you choose, success often requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. While some side hustles may start as a way to earn extra cash, they have the potential to grow into full-fledged businesses or career paths. Whether you're looking for flexibility, creativity, or simply a way to increase your income, there's never been a better time to start a side hustle and unlock your earning potential. And there you have it, the 13 best side hustles to start at every age. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a retiree, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, age is just a number. It's never too early or too late to pursue your passions and make some extra cash on the side. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start hustling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, take care and happy hustling.